Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to use MySQL in Hostinger. So basically guys, for those who doesn't know, Hostinger is a service or a platform that gives you a bunch of services from hostings, domain names, VPS and so go on. So how we can actually get to the MySQL in Hostinger? That's what I'm going to show you today. So first of all, go to Hostinger website from your browser. Here it is, and I will show you real quick how you can actually use this website. So here it is, their prices, plans, etc. Here we go, single web hosting, premium web hosting, business web hosting, and basically guys, to actually get your MySQL, you will need the hosting. So if you are having like VPS or email domain, you will not have to to watch this video because you will not have the MySQL. Now, let's say that you have a hosting. What you have to do is pretty simple. Go to your account. So here we go. And basically in here guys, you will find home, hosting, email, domains, VPS, SSL, and billing. Now, what you need to do is actually open our MySQL. So it's pretty simple. All you need to do is go to your hostings. As you can see, I don't have really a hosting, but for you guys, I will show you real quick. You just have to go to your hosting, and then you will find at the top import and export. You'll drag this line over here and drag it all the way down, and you will find my SQL logo. So what you'll have to do, click on it, and then all you need to do is grab the password and the email from there, or the username and the password. Go to my SQL website, and from there guys, all you need to do is to log in with those information that you got, and just like that you have opened your MySQL using Hostinger. So guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like, and thank you guys for watching.